Welcome back to Davenport Spud TV. Back at you, making another drink. Figure we try out a Mojito. Goes with mint leaf, lime juice, lime, Bacardi rum or any white rum, club soda, and I'm going to use simple syrup that has no calories in it. So first what you're supposed to do is take 5 mint leaves, so, and muddle them in the bottom of the cup for a minute, I guess. I'm no expert, so obviously muddle away. I think it's just to break the mint leaf over, or break it open and get the oils out, is what it sounded like. Then I'm going to add the lime juice. And I will add that's 1 ounce of lime juice, by the way, sorry. 1 ounce of simple syrup. And then 2 ounces of white rum. Drink a few of these down in Mexico. I love them. The joke is mosquito. Instead of mojito, you ask for a mosquito. It's good stuff. That. And you I'll mix it around with a muddler because I don't have a spoon with me. I'm not going to go out of frame again like last one. That. Add some ice. And then club soda. That's I watched a few videos and read some stuff up on the rum industry, and especially Bacardi rum. I'm sure everybody's heard Bacardi rum. Fascinating story about how they started in Cuba and now how they're in Puerto Rico. It's a great story if you got time and if you're bored or you want to read something interesting. Pretty interesting, I thought. I'm not going to get into it, it's pretty long. But basically, Castro got in the way of it all, right? So that's the Mojito. Luckily enough, it tastes pretty close to what I've experienced down in Mexico. Put the lime wedge on there for effect. I get it on there. And then mint leaf. That's a Mojito. So to Little John, if you're watching, getting close to the dark rum, just the white rum. So we're getting close. So thanks for watching, and once again, drink what you want. Have a good day. Davenport Spud TV.